We're staying in our ground floor plan.dwg file, and we're going to take a look at baseline and continue. Now, these are tools that allow you to create a group of baseline dimensions or a group of continuous dimensions. They're on the Annotate tab on the ribbon, on the Dimensions panel here. Click on this flyout here. There's Continue, there's Baseline. Now, before we start using Continue and Baseline, we need to place a linear dimension. Now, you'll notice the architectural millimeters dimension style is annotative. Just make sure that your annotation scale down here in the Model tab is set to 1 to 30 so that all your dimensions appear consistent in the drawing. I'm going to pan down like that and zoom in a bit. Now, you want to be able to see this corner of the building, this corner of the building. I'm going to go up here now to the Dimensions panel, click on the flyout and select Linear Dimension. And I'm going to go from Endpoint Snap there to Endpoint Snap there. Bring my linear dimension up a little and click there like that. Now I go to the Continue and Baseline flyout here and select Continue. And you'll notice it goes straight from that last linear dimension placed. So I can now just use the endpoint snaps on all of these walls and all of these openings and just work my way across. It's very quick and easy. And then when I get to the end there like that, I press Enter. It asks me if I want to do a continued dimension anywhere else. I don't. I press Enter to close the Continue command. That's how quick and easy it is. And these are all individual dimensions as well. So you could delete them if you don't need them, change them if you want to edit them, and so on. Zoom out slightly and pan upwards. And what you want to zoom into now is this side of the building. Now, I haven't got much screen real estate here because of the resolution that I record on when I'm creating the videos. But we need to add, on this little bit here, a linear dimension. So we go back to the linear flyout here. There's linear. And we're going to place a linear dimension. Now, you'll notice I've gone from top to bottom there. I've gone from this endpoint to this endpoint. Now, when I zoom out a bit and I go up here to baseline, can you see it's coming off of the wrong side, the wrong baseline of that dimension. So you've got to be careful which direction you place your linear dimension before you start using the baseline tool. Just hit escape a couple of times. Select that dimension. I'm actually going to right click and erase it. It's just quicker. I need to select a linear dimension from the Dimensions panel and go in the right direction. So it would be this endpoint to this endpoint like that, and then come out that way. Now, if I zoom in a bit so that you can see what's going on, I then go up here to the flyout here and select baseline. And notice now, can you see it's coming off the right baseline? It should be coming off that bottom line there. And as I move inwards, can you see it jumps outside that 1110 dimension? So now I can click on these points. Again, just using the endpoint snap, I'll zoom out a bit now. And we've got one more endpoint there and one more endpoint there. Enter to finish. And it's asking me now, do I want to do another base dimension? I can select another base dimension. I don't want to do that, so I'll just press Enter again. And that finishes off the baseline command. So as you can see, it's using that one extension line as a baseline, and they're all coming up and off of that baseline going up the side of the floor plan. So that is Continue and Baseline as extra dimensioning tools to add to your AutoCAD skill set.